Okay, guys, so you have your buyer, they've signed the assignment, and they submitted the non-refundable deposit to you. Now it's time to get them in the property and schedule their actual walkthrough. And I wanted to make a chapter on exactly how to do that. So right away, when you call the seller and you schedule this appointment, you tell the seller that your contractor or partner, whichever one you want to use, needs to conduct a quick 5 to 10 minute walkthrough on Friday at 2 o'clock. Right? And if that time doesn't work for that seller, you need to just schedule a time that does. Figure out, okay, buyer, when are you available? Seller says they are available here. Can you do it then? Just schedule the appointment, right? To get them through to the actual walkthrough. Guys, you don't have to attend the appointment. I don't attend any of my buyers' appointments now because I'm comfortable. I know my buyers a little more, all that good stuff. But at the beginning, I attended every single one of them, right? I do suggest in the beginning, go ahead and attend the appointment, right? Just tell the seller, hey, me and my contractor are going to do a walkthrough. That way, you make sure that walkthrough goes exactly how you want it to go, right? So feel free, go ahead. It's great training as well. You know, the seller's already familiar with you. You have some rapport built in there. They may feel more comfortable, but you do not have to go when you get to a certain comfort level. All right. So if the buyer's going by themselves, you need to let the buyer know let your buyer know that he or she is to present themselves as the contractor or partner. Let them know, hey, I already told the seller, you're my contractor coming. Just let them know. And most of them know that. They're not going to go and present themselves as the buyer. They don't want to screw up the deal, right? You just need to let them know who you told the seller that they are. Are they your partner or contractor? Boom. That's easy, right? Okay. Let your buyer know who they are meeting. Let them know the name. Are they meeting the tenant? Are they meeting the owner? They need to know the person that they're meeting and who they are, right? So just kind of bridge that gap between, I'm a stranger's meeting me at the house. Make everybody feel comfortable. This is easy stuff. This is common sense stuff, but I wanted to make sure I hit it. Just let your buyer know exactly who they are meeting. After the appointment is done, I need confirmation from the buyer that we're good to go, right? Don't wait, Mr. Buyer. Don't wait 24 hours to let me know if we're good to go. You've walked the property. You've seen the property. You know exactly how much, everything costs as far as for your rehab, your repairs. I gave you all the information anyways on that Dropbox file. At this point, you should just be confirming everything, Mr. Buyer. So let me know as soon as you can after the appointment if we're good to go. Because if we're not, I need to go look for another buyer. Perfect. And lastly, guys, don't worry about your buyer backstabbing you, right? The buyer is on your side and they want to get that deal done as bad as you do. Don't worry about the buyer walking the property and whispering to the seller, hey, I'm the real buyer, right? Like, why would they do that? I know it's a question that a lot of people ask, but this is a partnership. Your buyer wants to see this deal through too, right? Not only that, they want to build a relationship with you because this is one deal, but hey, Mr. Buyer, we can do 10 deals together. So they're not going to screw you over on the walkthrough, right? So don't worry about that. I know that is a question. It's a common question, but we are in the relationship business. If they did that to me, I would make sure a lot of people in my market know exactly what they did, right? Nobody wants to screw up their reputation in this business, including us. So don't worry about that, guys. And that's the buyer walkthrough. It's literally as simple as scheduling an appointment for somebody else to go walk a property. I know I like to, get in detail with these slides. I want to make sure you understand, but you are literally scheduling an appointment for somebody to go walk a property, and that's it, right? So we've covered that, guys. That's awesome. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.